4 must-have digital tools for better international learning. First, Evernote. This is a versatile notes-taking app where one can create notes with attaching audio, embedding photographs, and saving web content. Additionally, the app works as a task manager and allows students to keep a track of class notes. It also syncs across devices, making it easier to access the notes later. Second, Quizlet. This application aids in learning and revision by allowing students to create flashcards, quizzes, and study sets. It is a great tool to help students memorize definitions and key concepts. Third, Grammarly. Through the power of AI, Grammarly is an online writing assistant. It reviews all sorts of grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. It also provides suggestions for enhanced delivery and clarity in your sentences. Fourth, Motion. With multiple classes, deadlines, and school events, this application comes in super handy. It is a time management and productivity app. Technically, it works as a calendar and meeting assistant all rolled out into one. If you know any more such applications, let us know in the comment section below.